Hey guys, today let's learn how to fix iPhone live wallpaper not working. So in order for us to solve this issue, I want you to double check on your settings application and tap on your software update. So in order for us to locate where that is, just tap on general, tap on software update and see if you have a software update available. Now, if you haven't updated your software to the latest version just yet, my advice is to basically do so, since this will fix bugs like this and give you the best user experience possible. So if you do have an update like this, go ahead and do so, and that should solve your problem. Now, one more option that we should double check on is that we do not have low power mode enabled. So go on over to your control centers and go on to this battery symbol. Make sure that this is not enabled like so. So make sure that your low power mode is turned off so that you will have most of this features showing. So one more thing we should also make sure of is that our battery percentage is not below 20%. That is basically gonna kick off the low power mode. So we should also make sure that you have sufficient battery levels before we go ahead and proceed with enabling our live wallpapers. And essentially that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and take care.